The JAE MA01 series of automotive-grade floating board-to-board connectors solve many of the issues found in today's automotive ECU applications, like misalignment during assembly, design limitations, space constraints, and more. The connectors feature floating contacts, which provides flexibility during mounting and works to absorb up to ±0.5 mm positional displacement caused when mounting on a board or assembling with a robot. The MA01 series floating connector provides a guidepost for diagonal engagement from the X and Y directions, limiting the inclination of the connector to shift to the side and preventing the contact from falling off and buckling. The MA01 series floating connector provides a highly reliable two-point contact structure which supports 8 gigabit per second and beyond, with higher contact reliability and faster transmission than conventional floating connectors. The two-point contact structure prevents foreign contaminants from getting in for strong contact reliability. The MA01 series is ideal in automotive factory automation, semiconductor manufacturing, and communications equipment.